Don't let the name fool you. Sea slugs are beautiful. There are over 3,000 species of sea slugs. They live in shallow tropical water, and they can be found pretty much in any part of the world, including the Great Barrier Reef that has over 500 species. Sea slugs are carnivores. They eat coral, sea sponges, and fish eggs, and they use their tentacles to poke around for food. Their food source is actually what gives them their color. They can absorb and display their prey's pigment. They can also absorb their prey's toxins and use the poisons to their advantage for protection. Some are even solar powered, using the sun's energy much like a plant does during photosynthesis. They can weigh up to 3.3 pounds and can be as small as 0.25 inches or as large as 20.47 inches. Unfortunately, even though sea slugs are super cool and super beautiful, they have a short lifespan. Most will only live for 2 weeks, and others will live for maybe a year. The largest sea slug was found in the Red Sea, and it is of the Spanish dancer variety. It measured 20.47 inches. So here's your question for your math journal. Approximately, how big is the Spanish dancer slug? Rounded to the nearest inch. Don't forget to show your work. See you on our next Math Journal journey.